Welcome back, guys and girls, to Winterthur in Switzerland, and today I've got about a 4-hour ride, I suppose. My next destination still in Switzerland, and it's only an hour or so from here, but I'm going in a loop. So I'm going up to well, I'm actually going through a few countries today. I'm starting in Switzerland, I'm going into Germany, then into Austria, and then back again into Switzerland. And get rid of that glare if I can. So I'm going to Konstanz here, and then I'm going around the lake, hopefully to to a Dornier airplane museum, around the lake into Austria here, and then I'm going to end up in St. Gallen here. So I'm going up around there, and back around again. So hopefully it doesn't rain. So, welcome to Germany and the town of Konstanz. So I'll stop here and get a snack and a coffee. As you would have seen, that up there with the Zoll on it, that's the border between Switzerland and Germany. But, go for a little walk. Well, not as cheap as I thought it would be. I thought it was pizza. It's actually fried fish. So 20 euros for that, but that was nice. Ravioli with fried fish with melted cheese and bits and pieces. Well, I got a little bit lost walking around all those streets. pretty town though, but found my way back, so we're going to carry on in Germany and see if we can find the Dornier Museum. I like museums that have got cars, motorbikes or planes in them, so see if we can find it. So I'm here at the Dornier Museum, and this is of course the DO31E1, only because it's written on the side. So let's go inside for a look. It's raining, as you can see. Looks like I've got to get wet to see some of the planes, so I'll put my helmet on.
Aber ich gehe in meinen Kopf. Ich auch.
So this is the infamous BF 109. (1935) plane, but it actually looks sort of fairly modern. Right, on to my destination, about 100 k's to go. So welcome to Switzerland, my last day in Switzerland, and whatever this town is called, not far from the Austrian border, but today I'm going to Liechtenstein, another country, but yeah, autumn set in. Got pretty wet yesterday. Well, my rain suit kept me dry, but my boots were sodden. I've got them mostly dry with the aid of a hairdryer. But it's only about 11 o'clock and I can't book into my youth hostel till 5. But it's going to be raining all day. I'm just going to go there, and it's going to take about an hour and a half. I'll go there and see if I can chill out in their room, or I don't know, I'll figure it out. So my boots and socks are absolutely soaked again. I probably need to get some plastic bags and zip ties. Probably be my best idea, and cheap as well. Just having a little breather. Well, welcome to Liechtenstein. This is the youth hostel I'm staying at. But they've got a ridiculously late check-in time of 5 PM. It's only 1 PM, so I've got 4 hours to spare. But front door's unlocked, so I just walked inside. No one's there. But at the service counter they had the Wi-Fi code, so I'm hooked up on their Wi-Fi. So it stopped raining for now, but I suppose I'll go for a ride into the capital city, Vaduz. It's only a small country and it's only a small little city, I think, but I don't think I'm far away, about 5 kilometres or something.